Hey everybody, this is a quick video to tell you how to reset your Q25 earbuds by Earphone Solutions, Bluetooth wireless earbuds. You might want to do this if you're having any issues like the earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they are not syncing, or they keep disconnecting, or you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear. A reset will fix a lot of these issues. So if you want to do this reset, you will have to set them up again after you do this and re-pair them with your device. But all you need to do is go ahead and go with the device that you've had them paired with in the past, and have that device forget these earbuds. Once they've forgotten the earbuds, you can go ahead and put them in the case and make sure they're charging, and then close the case. Wait for at least 5 seconds, and then open the case up and take the earbuds out, and they will automatically enter pairing mode, and then you can re-pair them with your device as though they were a new set of earbuds. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.